this customer wants a rear tire change. We're gonna go through it and see what's going on with this scooter. So first sign is when we see this black goo, this black tar coming out of the tire, there is a sign the client has been riding over this flat tire for a long time. So first thing we're gonna check if there is melted connections inside here. So we gotta pop up this plate, and there are 18 screws over there. So first things first, let's check. Let's crack up the torque. That's procedure for every flat tire in the rear. The front tire being flat isn't as harsh as the rear tire on the connections, but it can be very detrimental for the scooter. By the way, flat tires can shorten the lifespan of the battery, can get the range very short as well. So you might want to have that checked at all times. So as I told you, there are melted connections here. What happens is, as they start melting, they can touch itself and then give a short to the control board, or worsen, they can short the control board and damage the motor, because the motor has an insulation, so it can run up to a certain temperature, and then by riding with the flat tire, the temperature goes up quite a lot. I'm gonna apply some heat. With that sticker, heat it up. We're gonna pop it so we can see the screws there. We're gonna remove the cover for the motor nut. If those guys get stripped over there, oh man, you have a headache. So with the impact drive off, we are almost there, guys. Apply some heat on the other sticker here. Same thing. I'm gonna fold the scooter again. Now we have the motor off. Let's change this bad boy here. The tire has no pressure. I'm gonna pop it. Turn it to the other side. Pop it the other side. This is where I want to put some gloves on. You don't want to have that black tar on your hand all day long. It's very sticky. It's like look at that. I'm gonna use a glue gun and clean this wheel so we can have the newer tire better, easier. There. See, the motor is getting a little bit loose here. I'm gonna tighten these screws so the client doesn't hear a click coming from the motor. And I bet with you guys, the screws, they come loose because of the temperature of the motor. The motor running hotter cracks up the Loctite these bad boys have. There you go. Apply some torque by hand over there. Your tire, there is a direction, so of rotation, we put over there. New tire on, you're gonna seal it now. Checking to see if it's seated properly. Get this guy to 50 psi. From 40 to 50. Here we apply 50. Now this guy goes there. Let's pump up this tire as well. We are already here. I'm gonna put the motor back on. You're gonna apply some torque now. other side.